Hi guys, I'm here with Dr. Volder today from Briar University, and we're here to talk to her today about what classes she teaches and how she uses PhysioU in the classroom.
I teach at Briar University in Sioux City, Iowa, and I teach imaging and integumentary and interventions, and I use PhysioU a lot. It's super helpful for my students to see that visual. We're a very visual-based generation right now, so we love PhysioU for that, and evidence-based and super relevant to my classes.
Awesome.
Yep.
So how do you mainly use PhysioU? If a student came to you one-on-one, what would you do?
Definitely show them the videos, show them some of the cases that are on there. Cases help them so much. They love seeing an actual real case. So that part we love, and the video part especially, and the visuals, they're awesome.
Awesome. And last question, if you were to describe PhysioU in one spectacular word, how would you describe it?
One spectacular word. I don't have anything fabulous, but awesome.
That's all we need to hear. I think awesome describes us as well, and I think you're awesome as well. So thank you so much for your time, and glad you're here at CSM 2022. We hope to see you soon.
Thank you.